Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I help you understand and speak better English. On today's episode, we're going to look at a lesson that is going to help you better understand how to use the words eat, ate, and eaten in English sentences. So, what I did today is that I wrote a story that I'm going to share with you that will help us to have a better understanding of how to use these words in English. Now, let me say first, I am not going to try to break down each word and say this is a past simple word, this is a past perfect word, this is a past continuous word, this is a future simple. That's just confusing. What I want you to understand when it comes to eat, eaten, and ate, they are past, present, and future tense of the word eat. Okay. And of course, you can say eats, eating, but you don't say eated. Okay. You would say ate, eat, eaten. You can use eating and eats. So let's look at this story to bring this on home and help you to better understand. So, for those of you who are watching on YouTube, you see here we're going to have a story about Reggie and Sheila. Reggie and Sheila, these are our characters today to help us understand how to use these words in English. So, let's start off with a few sentences from this story. Let's start off with the past tense of eat, the past tense. So you may say in a sentence or communicate to someone and say it like this: Reggie had only been eating his breakfast for 2 minutes when the police showed up. You see the past tense? Reggie had only been eating his breakfast for 2 minutes when the police showed up. There's the police right there at the door. They left the door open. Reggie, notice the past tense, was eating a fried egg and bologna sandwich when the police broke down the door. So the past tense of eat, he was eating. And there you see the police with the battering ram. They're just busting right in the door. Let's continue with the past tense. Sheila ate a fried egg and bologna sandwich for breakfast also. So she ate. So that is past tense. Sheila ate a fried egg and bologna sandwich for breakfast also. Okay. We'll talk about a fried egg and bologna sandwich in another episode. Matter of fact, if you've never had a fried egg and bologna sandwich, let me know down in the comments by saying, no, I've never had one. All right. Now let's look at present tense. And we're still talking about Reggie and Sheila. It is noon and Reggie is eating lunch at the police station. So you see the present tense. He is eating. 12 o'clock, Reggie got locked up. Now he is eating lunch at the police station. However, Sheila eats lunch at 11:30. So present tense right now. However, Sheila, she's eating right now. Present tense at 11:30. And I have 1 o'clock here on the screen, but okay, y'all get it. 11:30. Still in present tense. Sheila has already eaten salmon today. So Sheila's eating well. She's got her salmon. You see her vegetables, vegetable medley. I like grilled salmon. Now let's look at future tense. Sadly, Reggie is eating dinner with his cellmate tonight. So that's talking about what is going to happen. It would have been all right to say Reggie will be eating dinner with his cellmate tonight. Or you can say Reggie is eating dinner with his cellmate tonight. It probably would have been better to say he will be eating dinner with his cellmate tonight. Reggie will eat peanut butter and jelly for dinner. Reggie will eat peanut butter and jelly for dinner. Again, we're talking about future tense. Sheila will be eating dinner with her new friend, Walter. So again, future tense. While Reggie's locked up eating with his cellmate, peanut butter and jelly, Sheila will be eating dinner with her new friend, Walter. So leave me a comment down in the comment section. Why do you think Reggie is in jail? Leave me a comment, as well as how would you use eat, eaten, or eats in a sentence, or ate for that matter. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Jay's Learning School. Make sure you share this episode with a friend. I know it will help them to speak better English. Join me on my next episode. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.